Hello everyone, Das Rocks returned back with a new walk around video. We have a 2006 Ford F-550 Super Duty 16-foot box truck with ramp, rear wheel drive 4x2 regular cab. The engine is Ford Triton 6.8L V10 and the transmission is 5-speed torque shift automatic transmission. And this box truck has 62,890 miles. You can see there is a front tow package. Triton 10 and F-550 XL Super Duty. It's a very nice truck. Everything is repainted with rear rust paint, chassis, tires in a great condition, and this box has like a 2 small size door. Everything is nice, in perfect condition. This one is come with the ramp. And the toolbox on this side. Driver side. You can see how it's look. Very nice, very clean. Leather seats for 3 people. It's very nice because it has just 62,890 miles. The box is very nice, very clean from inside too. The 2 sides, small doors. The other side for the driver cabinet. There is no any lights on, everything work great. Let me show you the engine. The engine also is very nice, very clean. Smooth sound, no any leaks. This is all for this box truck today. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like. Thank you for watching. See you next video.